The biggest whale in the world. The ocean is filled with exuberant beauties and huge mysteries since it's home for thousands of marine species. However, there's an animal that stands out among the others for its enormous size. Are you ready to meet it? The biggest of all time. Catalogued as the biggest animal ever, the blue whale is a clear example that records are made to be broken, since its measures completely outweigh any animal. It has a length of 98 feet, and this marine beauty can weigh up to 173 tons. This huge species is even bigger than dinosaurs, and, to give us a perspective, only its tongue weighs what its nearest competitor, the elephant, weighs. A heart that beats records. And since we're talking about records, this creature doesn't only hold the title for the biggest animal in the world, but also for the largest and heaviest heart on the planet, because it can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, being as big as a golf cart. However, unlike other animals, this heart can only beat between 5 and 6 times per minute when it's outside, and even lower when it gets underwater. Exclusive diet. Blue whales are known for swimming long distances looking for food, but it's not about eating any fish. They're able to travel hundreds of miles to satisfy all of their whims. Because of their fine palate, they only eat 3.6 krill a day, this food being really similar to a little shrimp. Because of its method to hunt, which is sucking big quantities of water and eating everything in its path, it also accidentally eats little fishes, crustaceans, and even squids. Long trips. Despite the fact that they lived in every ocean of the world, it's known that these animals only live alone or in couples, although sometimes they can be seen in little groups. During the summer, they live in polar waters, swimming towards Ecuador only when winter arrives. And if you're wondering how fast this huge animal can swim, this giant swims at a speed of 12 knots, which is the equivalent to 14 miles per hour. Although it's said they can reach a speed of 31 miles per hour if they feel threatened or scared. Noisy aquatic. Besides its size, this whale is one of the noisiest animals in the world. Since it makes different sounds such as snarls and moans which are used to communicate with other whales. It's even said that, in the best conditions, these creatures can communicate between them at distances of more than 932 miles. A lot of scientists believe that they also use these vocalizations to swim in the depths of the ocean, a theory that can be true because they possess an excellent ear. Giants since they're born. One of the most remarkable characteristics of this species is that the babies, at the moment they're born, can weigh up to 2.5 tons and measure 26 feet in length. Also, during the first year, they only feed on breast milk, which makes them gain up to 198 pounds daily. Possible threats. With the huge size that characterizes it, anyone could think that this species doesn't have predators. However, it's known that this animal is occasionally attacked by sharks and killer whales, which usually attack the babies, taking advantage of their not yet intimidating sizes. It's also said that a lot of blue whales get injured and can even die if they get hit by big ships. Old swimmers. On the other hand, an unusual quality from this whale is that it can live for a lot of years, a fact that can be confirmed thanks to nowadays technology. After studying an old specimen, it was determined that it lived for around 110 years. However, based on a lot of different studies, it's believed that these animals can live an average of 80 and 90 years. Near the extinction. However, this giant is a species in danger of extinction for more than 30 years, because for many decades this animal was hunted to obtain their oil, which significantly reduced its population. It's presumed that in the last 90 years, its species was reduced by 70%, so a lot of laws that prohibit their hunting have been promoted all over the world. We have to know that even if this situation has improved, it's estimated that there are around 10 and 25,000 species all over the world, a number that represents the 3% and 11% of blue whales population that existed in 1911. If this colossal animal stunned you, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. That's all for today. See you next time.